how to create Xbox 360 profile. So if you want to create your Xbox 360 profile, then first of all you can open up your browser and then search for Xbox 360 and then simply scroll down, and here you will have www.xbox.com. You can click on that, and here you can simply go for sign in and then sign into your account, which is on the upper right. And after signing in, now you can simply click on your profile and then you can go for Xbox profile. So here you will have your Xbox profile, right? So what you can do is you can simply go for customize, and here you can add a location or you can add some bio, and after that you can simply click on save, and here you can either change your gamer tag, or you can change your sharing settings or your gamer pick. So if you want to customize your profile, or if you want to create your profile, then you can simply click on change gamer pick, and then you can choose any gamer pick that you would like. So I'll be choosing this one, and then click on OK, and now you can go for save. And that's it. That's how you create your Xbox 360 profile. That's how you customize it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.